Located on a cul-de-sac, this home features an open floor plan west/beautiful custom-built dark walnut cabinets and built-ins. Fourth bedroom/office with separate entrance, perfect for working at home. Extra large garage with great storage and workspace. Plenty of room to park the RV and toys. 21x60 graveled area west/50 amp power. Wonderful fenced backyard with beautiful gazebo, x10 storage shed, and spacious patio. Mature landscaping and pear tree. Open house Saturday and Sunday 10th/11th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.